Hello class. Today we will be doing two-digit addition word problems. Our learning target is I can find the sum of two-digit numbers in a word problem without regrouping using digital base 10 blocks. Yesterday we learned how to add two-digit numbers without regrouping. Here's an example of what we did yesterday. So the question was 31 plus 14 equals. We showed 31 by using the base 10 blocks, and we showed 14 by using the base. This equals 45. So let's refresh our memory. We're going to watch this video and then we'll begin our warm-up. Time for our warm-up. So 12 plus 15 is going to use our digital base 10 blocks. So using the digital base 10 block, I grabbed 1 10 and 2 ones to represent 12, and 1 10 and 5 ones to represent 15. So our total is going to be 27. So in this next warm-up that we have here, this is a word problem. And now with your partners, I would like you to figure out the key details that can help you solve this word problem. And I want you to underline those key details. So a word problem is a math question written as a sentence or more to apply math knowledge to something that can something that can happen in real life. Words that are said to describe adding are sum, more, total, altogether, and in all. Now, knowing the definition of a word problem and words that describe adding, we can go back to that word problem that you guys worked on with your partners and identify those key details that help you solve the problem. So, the key details I underlined were 48 seashells, 36 seashells, and total. Now, these details tell me that I have to add using the numbers 48 and 36. Now, using my digital base 10 blocks, I created the problem that says 48 plus 36 equals 84. So now let's practice. One person from each group will go to the digital base 10 website. So you guys work with your teammates and groups of fours. And you're going to read the word problem, underline key details, and solve the problem using the digital base 10 blocks. After you figure out the answer, you're going to create an image or design out of the total. And we're going to identify how many ones, how many tens, and how many hundreds are in the answer. So here's our word problem. Dad plants 22 flowers in the yard. Mom plants 14 more flowers. How many flowers are in the yard altogether? So the digital base 10 website that you're going to be using is coolmathforkids.com/manipulative/base10 blocks. You can click that link to be able to solve your problem. So I underlined 22 flowers, 15 more flowers, and all together. This tells me that I have to add 22 plus 15. Using the digital base 10 blocks, I figured out that the answer is 37, and I created a smiley face design. So now, how many ones are in the answer? There are 7 ones in the answer. How many 10s are in the answer? There are 3 10s in the answer. Now, how many hundreds do we see in the answer? There are 0 hundreds in the answer. Now, it's time to solve it on our own. Everyone will be taking out their Chromebooks, and everybody will be clicking the link to the base 10 blocks, and we're going to underline the key details that help us solve the problem. We're going to use our base 10 blocks, and we're going to create our own design with the answer total. Also, we're going to identify, just like we did before, how many 10s, how many 1s, and how many hundreds are in the final answer. So Lily has 57 pieces of candy. Rick has 21 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy do they have in total? So you should have underlined 57 pieces of candy, 21 pieces of candy, and total. That tells us that this problem wants us to do 57 plus 21. So here I did 57 plus 21. And I made a train design. 57 plus 21 is 78. So how many 1s, how many 10s, and how many hundreds are in our answer? There are 8 1s and 7 10s. We have no hundreds in this answer. So now we're going to do a gallery walk to see the cool digital block base 10 blocks creations that our friends came up with. For our exit ticket, to test our knowledge and see if we met our learning target, we will play Kahoot. Get ready to solve word problems on your own. Remember the strategies you learned and you will do great. So you can click on the Kahoot link and we can play Kahoot.